Hi, I'm Wataame.
And I'm Mikan. So what should we have for dinner tonight?
I want to make Japanese curry.
Isn't that too spicy?
Not at all. Japanese curry can range from light and a little sweet to as spicy as you want.
Okay, I want half the bowl sweet and half the bowl spicy.
What? How would I even do that? How about somewhere in between?
Yes, sounds good.
Great! Let's begin by chopping 2 medium potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Next, chop half a carrot randomly. Cut 1 3/4 of a yellow or white onion. Alright, now let's add oil to the bottom of your pot and add your thinly sliced beef to cook. Once it's mostly done, add your chopped veggies and cook for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Japanese curry is eaten frequently by families as it's really easy to make on a weeknight and it's enjoyed by all ages. Next, add 2 1/3 cup of water and bring to a boil. When it begins to boil, skim all the extra residue off the top. Now place your lid just slightly off center and simmer for 15 minutes on low heat. Alright, after 15 minutes, turn off the heat and grab your sauce packet. You can find what we used in the description box. It will be in a firm brick, so break it apart as much as possible before opening it so it can melt quickly. Stir it in to melt it, and once it's melted, simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. Make sure to mix it from the bottom as it's easy for curry to burn. Now you're ready to simmer for 5 minutes on middle heat. Remember, mix from the bottom. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now add some pickles and enjoy. Please see our description box for our recipe, links to curry, and pickles. Thanks for watching. We hope you subscribe, and we'll see you soon.